2, you won't believe what it can do. Take a selfie, snap it up. Shoot a movie, show it off. Catch a monster, it's so fun. Lots of games for everyone. Tell the time and so much more. Tons of cool things to explore. Yeah! Kitty Zoom Smartwatch DX2. Lets you be a Zoomer too.
Each sold separately.
Enter the ring with the Bullseye Boxing Set, the perfect birthday and holiday gift for children ages 3 to 8 years old. Any child can unleash their inner boxer on this tough, freestanding punching bag that always bounces back. So active kids can get exercise, spend their extra energy, and release pent-up frustration. The Bullseye Boxing Set is built to last with quality PU leather and a durable metal spring that resists bending or breaking. This punching bag is always ready to bounce back for more. Use the easy-to-follow instructions for setup, fill the hollow base with sand or water, inflate the punching bag with the free air pump, and begin packing real punches. The adjustable height means that they'll grow with their favorite punching bag, and even friends and siblings can join the match. With the unstoppable Bullseye Boxing Set, kids can play with the only toy that takes a solid punch.